Or my daughter wanted pancakes, so she's like,
Oh,
okay, I'll make
dang,
pancakes.
dang, okay. Yeah, you can't skip the pancakes.
She's
Hell
something.
no.
She makes pancakes, so she makes her own dough with like oatmeal, pecans, and almonds.
Okay.
They're so good.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to miss breakfast.
So my daughter was like, what are we going to do if we move out of grandma's house? Who's going to cook for me? And I was like, you better learn.
Man. Oh no, but that's what got me into it. It was basically just me having issues and
And you liked it.
Yeah. Well, actually, I did massage first, so that was in 2003, and I graduated in 2004, and I loved it. Like well, actually, she gave me my first massage, and it was just a chair massage.
Wow.
And that chair massage alone, literally, I signed up the same day. I literally just, I never felt that way before. I've had, like, we all get a little massage from our, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, but it's nothing like a real massage.
Oh, no.
And I was like, wow, I never had anybody get into my shoulders like that. And I was really hurting my body, and especially in the military. We don't get massages. I wish. That'd be awesome. So I realized the value of feeling good. I'm like, wow, I've never felt like this before. And it was because of her. I was like, Jesus, I want to know this power. Because if I can, oh my God, if I'm this good, as good as her,